Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today we're taking a look at the Singapore corner platform set, ideal for seating up to 6 people. This modern set combines aluminium with the natural look and feel of teak. They are the perfect materials for outdoor furniture as they are lightweight, strong, durable and will not rust. It is easy to clean and low maintenance, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your garden. This on-trend set will add a touch of modern living to any garden space. Hartman's weather-ready deep luxury cushions allow for maximum comfort. The weather-resistant fabric simply allows water to bead and run off. During heavier and persistent rain, the water will penetrate through the seams and flow through the permeable fibres and exit through the mesh base. Drying times vary due to local conditions. All cushions have removable covers which are machine washable. And for additional comfort, we've added non-slip mats under all of our cushions. And stool cushions are secured with Velcro straps. Adjustable resin feet are used on the base of each leg to ensure stability and avoid scratching to patios and terraces. The back cushions are secured to the aluminium frame with the fabric pocket. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.